What's going on, guys? This is Josh from Josh's Travel and Adventure. Today's tech video, I'm doing another unboxing on another tech that I bought. Is the GoPro Max 360 camera. I've been wanting to do 360 videos for the longest. I've been looking up on YouTube as well, doing some 360 videos and see how it goes. I kind of got interesting in doing the 360 videos. So today I'm gonna do an unboxing of the GoPro Max. Also, I bought the Max grip and the battery pack for the charging battery pack or something like that. So let's get into this real quick. Here is the GoPro Max. And the Max now it comes in like a pouch, just like the Hero 9. So it's waterproof and all that good stuff. So like I said, I just want to check this out. I'm into doing my YouTube videos and stuff, and trying to get some 360 videos. Sorry about that, guys. Dog started barking and stuff like that. Anyway, so back to the camera. So we got the GoPro Max 360 camera. This is the Max dual battery charger, and I guess it comes with a battery or whatever. So basically the same thing for the Hero 9. When I bought the Hero 9, I bought the Hero 9 with the same battery, dual battery charging thing. And but I did it with the Max. So the Max. Also, let's see. So this is the Max grip. Max grip tripod. Let's see how that works. Like I said, I'm new to the 360 camera, so I have the GoPro Hero 9. It works great. I've shot amazing videos, underwater videos, and all that good stuff, and I hope to do the same thing with this camera too as well. So let's put that to the side. Let's get to the GoPro Max. This is the tab right here, I guess. So again, it comes with the same pouch as the Hero 9. It's a nice case for it. So okay, so here we go. So we have the documentations. Subscribe to GoPro. You have the apps for the iOS and Android. It has there's the rest of the documentations and stuff like that. All right. So basically the same thing you get for the other. Okay, so you get stickers. GoPro stickers. Cool. All right. Everything will go back in the case. So here we go. This is a nice material, guys. So this is the pouch, but what you call it, the carrying case or whatever. GoPro logo. or Brandon or whatever you want to call it. These are the, let's see. Okay, so these are the, these like for, this is not for in the water, for what I hear. This is for like if you're doing some extreme videos or whatever, and the that is to protect your camera from like any kind of rocks or whatever, you know what I mean? This is like an action camera, so you got your battery. Your battery. So we have the battery, charging cable, so USB-C to USB-A, I think. Charging cable. You have your one of your mounts. I guess you call it a buckle mount. It's like for a helmet. And then you have the screw right here for the and of course the camera itself. Alright, so this is the camera right here. It's pretty heavy. Pretty heavy. Let's see. Okay, hold on. All right, so here we go. So it does have protective covers for the lenses because the lenses on this camera is not replaceable. So we gotta make sure that, you know, we cover the lenses, and you know, it's a nice hefty camera. I like this, you know. It has tradition, the finger mounts for to mount your GoPro. It's a pretty good, nice size camera, you know. GoPro Max. So that's what comes in the box. The camera, I'm guessing this is like the helmet mount or something like that. I have plenty of these, you know. Yeah, I have plenty of these. And screwdriver, whatever it is. All right, let's put this to the side. To the side, and then, oh wait, I forgot about this. That's the good thing about this. You stick the camera in here, protect it, you know. Nice. This is pretty cool. Anyway, I'll do that in a little bit. Go ahead and let's get to the accessories and stuff like that. Let's move down to the Max Dual battery. All right, so let's get an unboxing knife. what is the battery, charging dual battery. Let's see. Documentation and stuff. Okay, so it comes with another USB-C to USB-A. Comes with another battery. It's amazing. Cool. I'll keep this stuff because, you know, like I said, I already got a GoPro already, so I already know what the GoPro is really about, you know? Hold on 1 second, guys. All right, sorry about that, guys. So here's another battery. So basically, like I said, you put the battery in like this, I guess. Yeah. This way. No, I think it was the other way, I think. Yeah, it's this way. Boom. Got the battery right there. Cool. Right. So that's your battery and stuff like that for the and last but not least, we have the GoPro here. No, it's the Max grip, I'm sorry. This is the Max grip. I bought this because it's for the Max, you know. Documentations. In the box. This is a really sturdy open here. Alright. So of course it comes with another mounting system. That's what it really is. I guess you twist and collapse it. It also has a tripod. Oh, that's cool. That's how you do it. Alright guys, that's the GoPro Max 360 camera. Like I said, hope you guys like, subscribe. I might have more tech videos in the future. Like I said, basically this channel is basically on my travels and stuff like that. What I do is in, you know, general stuff, you know, that I record, you know. But I hope you guys like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.